when it sends, I don't know, like 10 short bursts, then
Toys for you.
Hello boys and girls, and welcome to this episode where we are gonna find out what's inside this RC toy and we are gonna see how it works. But first, let's see. Ooh, sorry. Yay! Okay, what we have here is the transmitter that you hold in your hands to control the toy. It sends radio waves to the receiver. And the receiver! It's an antenna and a circuit board inside the toy that receives signal from the transmitter and it activates motors inside the toy. Now let's see what's inside. And now we will see what's inside each part. First, the remote control. Wow! Here are our buttons, you see? All you do is press left and right and up and down. And those buttons correspond to these contacts. Pretty cool, right? Okay. And we have our plane. Take a look. If I press forward, backwards, okay. And if we press right and so right and left. Okay, now it's time to see what's inside the plane. And oh, we forgot to remove the tail. Wow, that's awesome! Okay guys, what we see are two electric motors. So, what we have here is a small antenna. This one sends a signal to the receiver, and in order to send the signal, it needs a power source. Yes, it needs a power source. So when we press the buttons, it closes a circuit, and here it goes. It sends over to this one, and here is the antenna of the receiver. So when it sends, for example, 40 short bursts, then the plane goes forwards. And when it sends, for example, 16 short bursts, the plane goes backwards. Yay! And when it sends, I don't know, like 10 short bursts, then the other electric motor turns right or turns left. Okay guys, what we have here beneath this board are some electric circuits. And yes, we have two electric motors. One is for steering left or right. Here, you know what this is? Okay, come on, guess. Yes, it's the speaker for loud volume. And here we have the electric engine that makes the wheels roll forward and backwards. Yay! So guys, now you know how it works. Let's put it back together. As you guys can see, our toy is fully operational, and now you know what's inside of it and how a remote control toy works. And you found that at What's Inside with Toys for You. Let us know if you want to see how radio waves work and press the like button. Thank you. See you in the next one.
If I was saying... All right. Let's get this picture started.